Today I wanted to share with you just a quick, simple, easy recipe that is kind of my go-to recipe at home. I'm cooking all the time. I cook fancy stuff for clients, and sometimes I just want something good, wholesome, a classic meal. And for me, that's chicken adobo tostadas. I'm going to show you right now, so please join me and let's get into it. All right, let's start by making our garlic oil to go on top of our tostadas while we bake them. We're just gonna take about 2 to 3 bulbs of garlic and just submerge them in oil. We'll bake that at 375 for about 45 minutes. Next, we'll just go ahead and take them out when they're nice and golden brown. Strain out your oil. We'll go ahead and save that for later. All right, next we wanna start to toast our chilies for our adobo sauce. So we'll take about 4 guajillo chilies and about 3 ancho chilies. You wanna make sure that you press them down so you have full contact with the pan. Soak them in hot water for about 20-25 minutes. And then we'll get a nice hot cast iron, throw in about 6 garlic cloves with the peels on so they don't burn. And then we'll take about 4 whole tomatoes, just cut in half, 2 tomatillos, quarter onion, and then a couple chilies of your choice. Char all of your ingredients in a cast iron pan for about 10 minutes. Next, we'll take all of these ingredients and our chilies that we had soaking and add them all to a blender. To this, we will add a quarter stick of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns, 1 allspice, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 bulb of garlic confit, 2 cloves of fresh garlic, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 6 dried bay leaves crumbled up, and then a quarter cup of local honey. Also 1/2 bunch of cilantro stems, 3 tablespoons of good quality sherry vinegar, 1 pinch of kosher salt, 1/4 cup of our garlic oil, about a half an onion, and then 1 cup of water. Then we'll go ahead and blend this up. So now we want to butcher our chicken. Go ahead and just cut out the backbone like you see here. We're going to do it spatchcock style. Make sure you save that for stock. Flip it around, go ahead and take off your wingtip. Then we'll go ahead and hit it with some salt and pepper. And then take our beautiful adobo sauce, massage that beautifully into the chicken. Get underneath that skin. Then we'll get it on the back as well. We'll bake this off at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius until it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees. It'll carry over to 165. Next, let's make our petite tostada shells. I like to take a ring cutter and just cut out the size that you want, and then we'll go ahead and just lay these out on a sheet pan, little parchment paper. Take our beautiful garlic oil and just lightly brush each tostada shell. Hit it with some salt and pepper, some tahini if you like, and then put a wire rack on top to just keep them nice and flat. Bake them for about 15 minutes at 375. I'm sure you all know how to make guacamole, but here's how I like to make mine. Just split open a couple avocados, toss them in a bowl, and we'll go ahead and just take some tomato. I like to quarter it and just cut out the seeds. Make sure you save the seeds for another application, and then just chop it up fine like you see here. Finely dice a quarter to a half of a small red onion. And we'll go ahead and add in 3 tablespoons of chopped cilantro, a little pinch of kosher salt and pepper as always, a little bit of Mexican spice, and then a squeeze of a half a lime, a little bit of avocado oil, and just mash it up. Make sure you taste. Make sure it's absolutely delicious. And then we'll go ahead and just wrap this and put it in the fridge for later. All right, next let's go ahead and make some toppings for our tostadas. Here I'm just using some sliced cabbage, but you could use lettuce if you want. You could use some microgreens. It's really up to you, your preference, whatever you'd like to choose. Sliced red onion. A little bit of sliced radish. And to that, I also did a little bit of arugula, had in the fridge. And then also some sliced green onion. Okay guys, that's it for the dish. I thought it came out awesome. I mean, the flavors are absolutely spot on. With that chicken adobo, make sure that all the chicken, when it's cooked, a lot of juices come out of it and mix with that adobo in the pan. use that to drizzle on top of your chicken when it's done. It's gonna add so much more flavor to it. We got our beautiful molcajete salsa on there. Make sure you check out that video as well. That's absolutely crucial to take this tostada to the next level. I just want to thank you all again for joining me. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you learned something today, I hope I earned your subscription. Just something simple. I want to really kind of keep it light and easy and just show you what chefs like to eat on their day off and show you how healthy and nutritious and delicious this can actually be. With that, guys, I don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna dig in right now. So as always, I love you. Have a blessed day and a blessed week, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers.